All right, what's up guys? So we're back again at a brand new KB community out here in the Southwest, and right behind me is a 1768 model that we're about to check out, so you better stay tuned. Hey, but real quick, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell. That way it allows me to know that you enjoy these walkthroughs and what it's like living here in Las Vegas. All right guys, let's move on with the video. All right, what's going on guys? So right in front of me, we've got the 1768 model right here by KB. Again, we're in a brand new community called the Upton. And we're not too far from the new Durango station that just opened up here in the Southwest, which is right there. And so we're right off the Sunset and 215 area. Again, right here in the Southwest side. So we're getting ready to walk into this 1768 model to give you an idea of what this home looks like. So again, right from the start, right in the beginning right here, you're gonna have 3 elevations to choose from, meaning 3 different exterior styles. You're gonna have this pavers right here as a standard, of course. And the one thing I always remind people, because all the models have this beautiful paved pavers as a walkway to the front door, that's definitely gonna be an upgrade. So let's go ahead and walk inside. All right, so again, this is a 1768 model, 3 beds, 2.5 bath. That's gonna be the door to the garage, which I always forget, they keep it locked. You're gonna have your stairway to the upstairs right to your right. And right here is your main living area. So almost similar to the 2069 model. Obviously there's gonna be a few differences here. And again, I'm very familiar with these KB homes, so in this video, I'll definitely point out some of the things that's gonna be an upgrade versus standard, as well as things that you may wanna highly consider upgrading. All right, let's start off with this kitchen right here. So, they've got the standard colored cabinets right here, but it is the upgraded size, because even though it's only 8-foot ceilings, if you've got the standard cabinets, there will be a small gap from the ceiling. So this kind of makes it really nice and flush with the ceiling. And that leads me to the upgrade that I would highly recommend, which is upgrading to 9-foot ceilings. So again, this model has 8-foot ceilings. Not sure if you can kind of tell, but obviously it still looks really great, but that extra foot will be a big difference in value, especially for future resale value. Now as a standard, your house is gonna come with a stove, you've got your microwave, you're gonna have your dishwasher right there. And all in the wet areas is where you're gonna have standard flooring included, just like this tile right here. And in the living area, it's actually gonna be all carpeted. So if you wanted to have all flooring the same down here, that's definitely gonna be an upgrade. Now you've got 1 window right there, 3 windows right here, and then you've got your slider to the backyard right over here. So this model is definitely giving out or offering a lot of natural light coming in. Now this one has a good sized backyard, obviously because it's a smaller floor plan. Because this community, what I noticed, does offer smaller size lots. So depending on the house or model you're gonna be choosing, you may have only a side yard versus a backyard, or the other model has a much smaller backyard compared to this one, believe it or not. So right here, you're gonna have some extra storage. So you're gonna have your coat closet right here. This is gonna be the extra storage right here, and your half bath all the way tucked in this little corner, which is kind of cool. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about that, how this floor plan sits in this main living area with that half bath kind of tucked in behind this wall right here. So the one thing I always like to remind all my buyers when building with KB is knowing what's standard and what's not, especially when it comes to your electrical options like lighting. So as a standard, you'll have all the standard lighting above the kitchen, just like how it has this one. Unless you want to add some pendant lighting, some pre-wires for that, that's definitely going to be an upgrade. And you're going to have these 4 additional LED pucks right here. That's something that does not come with the house, so you'll definitely want to mention that during the design studio. Another thing I always recommend is in the living room area, especially in your bedrooms, because it does get really hot here. To save energy, I would highly suggest a pre-wire for a ceiling fan. But nonetheless, really nice and open, gorgeous home. Can't go wrong with this guy. Again, this guy is starting in the mid 450s. And again, HOA here is $60, so really not bad. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and check out what we're working with upstairs. All right. So you can see these open handrails right here, guys. That right there is gonna be an upgrade. And typically without that, you're gonna have a solid pony wall. But that handrail is actually really nice. Again, it kind of gives that illusion of just allowing more light to pour in, makes it feel more spacious. But check out this loft right here. Really good sized loft. You've got 2 square windows right there. You've got another window right here. You've got some storage right here. And the primary bedroom is gonna be to our right, and the secondary bedroom is gonna be to our left. So let's go ahead and check out these bedrooms over here. All right. So the secondary bedrooms, they sit towards the front of the house. They've got this pre-wire for the lighting right there. Again, that's additional. And again, I highly suggest adding the pre-wire for a ceiling fan, which is gonna be different compared to that one. So you wanna make sure you've got the right one to support a ceiling fan. Here's the other bedroom. Pretty good size. Got the sliding closet doors. Nice big window right here. So again, this sits on the front of the house. And then to our left is gonna be the full bath. So you can see they have tile flooring right here. That's gonna be your standard tile. The nice thing about it is the bathrooms upstairs, or all the bathrooms, gonna have the quartz countertop as a standard. You can notice that they don't have the under-mounted sinks here. So this is all standard options right here. If you wanted dual sinks, that would be an upgrade. And they've got the tub shower right there. The back window right there, that's also gonna be an upgrade there. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how customizable you can really get when building these KB homes. Now again, they've got about 140 lots available over here. Some of them are gonna be spec'd for quicker move-ins. So here's the laundry room. And always in the laundry room, again, we're gonna have the smart panel box. Again, that houses your router, your modem, as well as all your Cat 6 cables. Now, build time here in Upton is gonna be about 6 to 8 months. And the lot premiums are ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $18,000, just depending on how big the lot that you're gonna be offered. If it's a corner lot, maybe a little bit more perimeter space. All right, so this is gonna be your standard tub shower for the primary bath. Again, that window is gonna be an upgrade. Now, for some people, they'll upgrade this whole area as a beautiful super bath with a nice walk-in shower, which would definitely take up this whole space right here. So you would eliminate this extra storage. Now you're gonna have a dual sinks as a standard. Again, standard quartz countertops. Medicine cabinet, that's actually optional. It's a free option. I've noticed that some people would rather not have it. And then you've got your walk-in closet right over here. Really good sized walk-in closet actually for this floor plan. All right guys, so that wraps up the tour of this 1768 model. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this floor plan, and if you've got any questions about this KB community or any other community here in Las Vegas, I'll have all my information down below. Definitely feel free to give me a call, text, or email. I look forward to connecting with you guys. See you guys on the next one.